How to link Xero to bank account. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account at xero.com and select the business you want to connect a bank account to. Next, click on Accounting in the top menu and choose Bank Accounts. This is where you will manage all connected accounts. Click the blue Add Bank Account button. Search for your bank by name in the search box. Xero supports most major banks and credit unions in the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and more. If your bank supports direct bank feeds, select it and follow the prompts to sign in securely using your online banking credentials. Xero may redirect you to bank's website for login verification. Follow the instructions and grant Xero permission to access your account data. Once authorized, select which accounts or cards you want to link to Xero. These could be checking, savings, or even credit card accounts. Click Continue to complete the setup. Your bank account is now linked and transactions will automatically start syncing usually every 24 hours. If your bank is not supported for a direct feed, you can still manually import transactions using a CSV or OFX file. Just click Import a statement under your bank account in Xero. And that's how to link your bank account to Xero. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.